Hello there, it's Avinam Nerola. I'm back here with my new video. Guys, it's time for the mega clash, or rather the ultimate clash of the IPLs. It's that time of the season when the most successful IPL franchises, namely Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings, are scheduled to face off for the very first time in this edition. Let's preview. Do like, share and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel as well. On 1st of May 2021, the Ferozshah Kotla Stadium, Delhi is going to host this encounter. During the course of the ongoing IPL edition, the score of somewhere around 180 to 190 runs looks to be par out there. Definitely need to post at least 190 runs if the pre-batting sides are to win at the Kotla. Until today, the pitches that have been installed so far at the Kotla during this edition haven't been as per the expectations. We normally expect slow, sluggish and turning tracks at the Kotla, but those haven't been the nature of the pitches that have been used at the Kotla this time around. So do expect another match to be conducted on the surface, which is expected to be quick, single-paced and a bit grassy, a typical pitch for swing bowlers and all kinds of batters. On a quick wicket within a small venue where the dew factor plays an important role, either teams would like to field first if they go on to win the toss. Chennai Super Kings: Faf du Plessis, Ruturaj Gaikwad, Moeen Ali, Suresh Raina, Ambati Rayudu, Ravindra Jadeja, MS Dhoni captain and wicket-keeper, Sam Curran, Shardul Thakur, Deepak Chahar and Lungi Ngidi. The openers have been absolutely brilliant of late. Now it's time for them to utilize their form big time at a big stage. MS is just brilliant in terms of man-to-man markings or matchups. So CSK have all the weapons in their bag to counter every single member of MI's expected playing 11. The openers Ali, Jadeja, MS and Curran are there to play in pace-dominant overs, whilst Rayudu and Raina are there to counter-attack in spin-dominant overs. All depends on how MS uses the whole setup. Mumbai Indians: Rohit Sharma, Quinton de Kock wicket-keeper, Suryakumar Yadav, Krunal Pandya, Kieron Pollard, Hardik Pandya, Nathan Coulter-Nile, Jayant Yadav, Rahul Chahar, Trent Boult and Jasprit Bumrah. MI are also expected to go with the winning combination, although I feel that this combo won't work for them in a big stage as this. RCB decreased their batting against CSK and well, you could see their collapse. MI need some more batting in the form of Kishan or Lin in the lineup. MI would want the likes of Hardik and Jayant to step up this time around, as they are those kinds of players against whom CSK are vulnerable to courtesy, lack of out and out pacers and presence of a lot of left-handers respectively. MI haven't lost a single match while chasing since 2019. On the other hand, CSK are holding a 5-match winning streak, so winning the toss looks symmetrical to winning the match for me at the moment. If MI win here, they might turn into invincibles again due to that winning momentum. Plus, MI look like the only side that can break CSK's momentum. Big match in the context of this edition's future in my view. As a CSK fan, I'm backing CSK to win the toss and win the match on the back of their golden form. Take care.